Hey everyone, this is Alex with Elite Watch Co. We're on a mission to get to 100,000 followers by January 1st. When we get there, one of you guys are gonna win a $10,000 Rolex. Along the way, we are gonna be making fun, interesting videos, sharing cool facts about Rolex, watches in general. So if you're into watches, give us a like, comment, share. That's how you're gonna get entered into the drawing and hopefully take this baby home. I'm here to tell you today, you do not want a watchmaker to repair your Rolex bracelet. You want someone like me to do it, a jeweler. Why? Jewelers primarily work with metals. The bracelets are metal. This is what we have been trained to do. This is what we are best at. While watchmakers and jewelers both fall under the same demographic, just like people in construction, you would not hire a plumber to do your electric work. So why would you have a watchmaker doing your bracelet work? Doesn't make any sense. Thank you for watching. If you'd enjoyed this, please give us a like, comment, and share. Have a great day.